I will talk about how can you enable notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do in verse, you just go down here, click on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications, just click on it. So when you click on notifications, you come to next step here. Come here to push notifications, click in this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list, click in this sign here. Like you see this color show for us, that's main notification now enable with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.